I'm thrilled to have you here. Whether you're new or a returning viewer, your support means the world to me. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on any of the fantastic content I have in store for you. Let's start today's video. Certainly. The Tesla Cybertruck has garnered significant attention for its futuristic design and impressive performance. Let's delve into its off-road capabilities. 1. Ground clearance and tires. The Cybertruck features 17 inches of ground clearance and comes equipped with all-terrain tires. These attributes contribute to its ability to handle rough terrain and obstacles. 2. Off-road mode. The Cybertruck offers an off-road mode, which changes how the vehicle handles, accelerates, and decelerates. In this mode, you have greater control over traction, stability, acceleration, and braking. Additionally, you can quickly adjust the ride height of the Cybertruck using the suspension settings. 3. Towing capacity. The Cybertruck boasts a maximum towing capacity of 11,000 pounds. This makes it suitable for hauling trailers, boats, or other heavy loads. 4. Driving range. The estimated driving range of the Cybertruck is up to 340 miles on a single charge. When connected to a Tesla supercharger, it can add between 128 and 136 miles of range in just 15 minutes. 5. Off-road testing. During off-road testing, the Cybertruck performed better than expected. It tackled sand dunes and rocky terrain with ease, thanks to its adjustable ride heights and off-road modes. 6. Caveats. Some caveats include wimpy brakes, aftermarket tires scraping the wheel arches, and a busted suspension. However, aftermarket solutions can address many of these weak points. In summary, while the Cybertruck isn't perfect off-road, it offers a unique blend of futuristic design, advanced technology, and practical utility for those who love adventure.